Welcome back, guys. So we need to talk about different ways you can make money with this skill you just learned. So one of the ways you can make money is to have a YouTube channel or have a TikTok channel to be able to hit monetization and be able to create storytelling video. So if you need to learn about YouTube creation or YouTube automation or YouTube, and everything about YouTube, just search for Tech Academy, of course. So search for Tech Academy on Google. Then you see our Udemy's page. All you have to do is come to the Udemy's page and take a course on YouTube optimization. So this is one way you could actually earn through your animation because you will be able to create a story or create stories for a faceless channel and go about doing that till you get to YouTube monetization. The YouTube starts paying you. So if you get good stories, good long form story, of course, you could actually create something in that line. This is a current animation course. So you could come right here to look for courses that are related to YouTube. So there's a YouTube animation course on here on our catalog, so you could check them out. So you could check this out. So we have faceless YouTube marketing and generative AI. This is what you should have taken because this will show you everything you need to know about YouTube. So one of the ways you can earn money or make money with this is to have a YouTube channel or get a TikTok account, but I would say you start with YouTube. So you create a short form video, you create a long form video, all in animation. Then let the story be interesting and see how your audience grows with the trick you're going to learn. Yeah, if you don't know anything about YouTube, if you're starting from scratch, you don't know what to do about YouTube, just take a course like this. It shows you everything you need to know about YouTube from beginning to the end, how to create your script, how to go about knowing the terminologies on YouTube, how to grow your faceless YouTube channel. This is what would actually make you go far enough, and you could check this out right away and see how you can go about learning how to create for YouTube. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to explore more money making opportunities. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.